This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of solar lights. This is a set of 2, and this is by the company Linkind, and these are the Star Ray G2 series. Check these things out. You can see they go on a walkway right here. So let me just go ahead and open them up and show y'all what you get in the box here. You can see they kind of look like you know, little robot head right there. The way those things look. Little set of instructions. Pretty simple as far as it is. Oh, you can see there's the bases right there, the actual unit itself, and looking over the unit, big solar panel on the back. It just basically tells you it only comes on at dark. It looks like you have an on and off switch right there on the bottom. You get some hardware if you want to hard mount them down, and another base. So there's everything you get in the package. Let me go ahead and put them together, and let's see what they look like when they're fully put together. So let's do that now. Super simple. All you do is run that little screw through the base right there, and it screws down, and it is adjustable, you know, completely 180 degrees right there. And then the stake portion just sticks down in the bottom. And then to turn them on, you're going to hit that button right there, and that's turning them on. So let me go ahead and find a spot and set these up on my walkway, and then we'll see what they look like while they're set up. So let's do that. So they're facing the stairs, so it's going to really light up this area. So check it out. I got them right here when the sun comes over the house, and then it will get enough sun to charge these, and they should run all night. So let me go ahead and click over to nighttime, and let's see what these things look like when it's dark out. Let's do that now. All right, here we are, everybody. It's nighttime now, as you can see here. This looks awesome. These things are very bright. They brighten up my stairwell there. And let me just kind of like show y'all real quick. So these are on the brightest settings. There's 3 settings. That's off. One's like a low type setting. You can see it's a little brighter on that side. A medium, and then a high. So there's 3 top settings, like a low, medium, high. You can set these, and it comes as a 2-pack. Awesome. I highly recommend these. These are very bright, and I've been wanting to brighten up this walkway up to my door there. So there you go, everybody. That's the 2-piece solar lights. See you guys in the next video. Woo!